taking their shots. The Bluffton High School boys and girls lacrosse teams are hosting a summer camp for kids. The high school players are having fun out on the field, teaching the fundamentals of the sport.
Just like the hand placement on the stick, just making sure it's like not too tense, like your grip or anything, just so that we don't want any like future injuries. And then ground balls, obviously, so that you can make some quick recoveries. Throwing and catching, again, it's really all about the hand placement, and it's also about confidence as a foundation. Like, you just really have to have that confidence and mentality that you can do it.
During the 4-day camp, kids are taking part in lots of drills, helping them to improve their cradling, passing, shooting, and more.
To help you get better with your right hand and your left hand, and helps you get better with your arm to get coordinates, like where you have to be and like what drills you have to do to help you know what to do more in the actual game.
I liked that they were like teaching us new things that we don't know about.
The high school athletes are excited to be sharing their love for the game with the kids.
Lacrosse is a growing sport down here. It's not really a big thing right now, and having a bigger outcome every single time I see people working on it more, it's really fun. And I like to share my experiences that I've had playing the sport as well with everybody that I see.
Your hands on the top of your stick, your other hand's down by the bottom of your stick.
More than 30 kids, ranging from pre-kindergarten to 8th grade, are taking part in the Bobcat Lacrosse camp at Bluffton High School. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.